Alva's family vlog. It's raining outside, so we're playing Mega Dance Mayhem.
Dad is the current Mega Dance Mayhem Master Mover.
Oh, yes.
But not for long.
Requested weather alert. It will stop raining and the sun will come out in 1.5 minutes.
I guess we better take the fun outside while we can.
Aw, just 5 minutes more, Dad, please.
Well...
We're having so much fun.
True. However, the game will always be there. You need to decide what you want to do, Alva. In or out?
Huh? I know who might like to play video games with me. Mo, go Gizmo! It's raining in Gizmo too.
Indeed, but the Giz meteorological forecast is for the clouds to part just about now.
Yay!
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Hello.
Hi, Ulis.
It stopped raining, so there's a chance we might see a Gizmo.
A Gizmo?
It's a rainbow that's also a slide.
That sounds neat.
But we've never actually seen one yet.
Just regular rainbows.
Well, while we're waiting for a maybe Gizmo, could we play a for real video game?
Okay. But we don't want to miss the Gizmo if it comes.
Don't worry. Mo is great at looking out and giving weather alerts.
A Gizmo?
I'd love to ride one, but I wouldn't love having to queue up for my turn.
But what if every Uli in town was stuck indoors and we had the Gizmo all to ourselves?
Wow, Uli Bean, you have so many cool games.
But we've played them all like a gazillion times already. Huh?
G.I.G. calling!
G.I.G.? Is that your name?
Nah, you silly snoodle. G.I.G. is the Game Institute of Gizmo. And we're inviting all you fine Ulis to help us test out a new game.
Oh, wow!
Yeah, but the game will only work today. So you gotta play it now, right now.
Let's have a go.
And I'll absolutely keep a lookout for the Gizmo.
Hey!
Restart the game.
Oh, so close.
I wonder what we did wrong.
Gizmo update. There is an actual Gizmo taking shape, and it looks marvelous.
Phooey.
One more try. Gizmo update. The Gizmo is almost complete. The blobbers are very excited about the Gizmo,
Hey, I can't see.
Out of the way.
Blobbos, don't make me order you back to the Blobbo tree.
Poor Blobbos. All they want to do is spend time with you outside of the Gizmo.
But the game.
We have to finish it.
It's okay, Blobbos. I'll look at the Gizmo with you. Wow! Quick, you all have to see this.
As soon as we win.
But you've waited so long to see one. Mo, can you take a picture of the Gizmo and project it to show them what they're missing?
That's a great idea. Put it where they can't miss it.
Oh.